Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is my 2008 BMW 535 Xi. If you watched the last episode, you'll know we had a check engine light. So it's currently broken right now. Hey, it's a BMW. What do you expect? So enough talking. Let's pull the scanner out and see what's wrong with it. Maybe it's a simple fix. Maybe not. Who knows? Let's figure it out. Let's go. Okay, we got the scanner here. Let's plug it in and see what happens. Okay. Turn the ignition on. Let's scan and let's see what's going on. Well, it looks like we need oxygen sensor for bank 1, sensor 1, and sensor 2. Luckily, we got 2 right here. So let's jack up the car and get them installed. The second oxygen sensor is all the way back here. So you guys are gonna watch me struggle and get these out. Let me put you guys down. By undoing the exhaust, we could get our hand in there and undo it. So let me get it out. We got the new one here. I don't want to bore you guys with installing it. It's pretty much the same as taking it out, but only in reverse. So let me install this, and then we're gonna do the number 1 oxygen sensor. So I'll be right back. Okay. I don't know if you guys could see it, but the other one is all the way up in there. It's not this first one. It's the one in the back. So come on, focus. Focus. There we go. It's the one in the back. So I don't think there's any room for you guys to see. Let me remove it and install the new one. I'll be back. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Now let's put the wheel back on, clear the codes, and take it for a test drive. Let's get it. The test drive was a success. Like I promised, we have another upgrade to do, but I can't do it. I don't own a welder. We will be installing a Valvetronic muffler, and we will be installing tints on the car. So let's get the tints done, and we'll head to the muffler shop and get the muffler installed. But first, let's install the electronics for the muffler, because this muffler has a cutout. So, okay, I got that. Move that to the side. So when it opens, it's a straight through. It's pretty small for a muffler. Let's get the electronics installed for the Valvetronic muffler, and then hit the tin shop after muffler install, and we're gonna get some good sound clips. I hope it's loud. It's not that loud right now. So let's get the electronics installed. Okay. Oh, look at that. We got a wristband, a jet tag for the key, Valvetronic sticker, installation guide, key fob, wire harness, which I think we're gonna have to take this out, vacuum lines, double-sided sticky, fuse, and the module. So let's install this. We gotta find a place to mount this first. I think we could use this one for the power and the ground. Okay, we got it all installed. The little antenna, the vacuum line. I went with the factory lines to connect the Y here. Connect the Y, and then I went straight out. So let's get that muffler installed and hear how this thing really sounds. Okay guys, we just got back from the tint shop and here it is. We went with 20% on the glass, on the windows, back and front. It looks pretty good. But we have a big issue right now. We got a check light again, and I think we've blown up the engine. So let me pull it in the garage and we'll take a look. Well, it looks like we'll be pulling the engine in the next episode. So don't forget to like, leave a comment what you guys think it is. Until then, later.